keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Environmental Studies Standard 3, Chapter number 7, Our Village, Our City. Students, in this chapter, we will be learning about differences that are there in the city and in a village, the lifestyle of the people, and many more things. Here is a picture having two sides. On left hand side it shows a picture of a village and on right hand side you can see a city. Before starting with all these things, let me tell you a difference in village and city. A village is a small group of settlements while a city is a large group of settlements. Villages are located in smaller land or area, and a city has a larger land area. People that live in villages know each other by their names, while people in the city cannot know each other as it has a wide or large area. Here in the picture, you can see the houses are made up of mud or stones. While in cities, people live in sky raised buildings or flats as the population in the city is more. Now, let us see the advantages of people who live in the villages. They get to eat fresh food as they cultivate their food on their own. People in villages are very friendly and are very helpful to others, and they have unity among themselves. You can enjoy the real beauty of nature in a village. People in city are always busy in their own work, so they don't have extra time to interact with others and to know others. Whereas people in villages meet each other every week in the weekly markets and ask about each other's well-being. As I told you all that the people in villages get fresh food because they grow all the necessary vegetables, grains and fruits in their farm. But people in villages cannot get all or make all the things on their own. Some things are made in factories which are located in cities. For example, bicycle, umbrella, clothes, etc. Earlier, there was a big difference in city and a village, but now the difference is reducing. As there is development, the facilities available in cities are now becoming available in villages as well. But the people in the rural areas, that is villages, and people in urban areas, that is cities, both are dependent on each other for their needs. Now let us see about the modes of transport in villages and cities. As man's needs increased, he invented new means of transport. Earlier, goods were transported from one place to another by animals like bullocks, horses, camels, elephants, and donkeys. Next, vehicles which were used for people to go from one place to another were bullock carts and horse carts. Later on, the ships, automobiles, trains were invented, followed by the aeroplanes. Thus, the transport became faster and it was very easy for the people to travel from one place to another. Not only from one place to another, but also from one country to the other. Here is an activity given for you all. The first column contains some vehicles and column 2 has the modes on which they travel on. So first is bullock cart. Bullock cart travels on Kacha road. Second is a boat. Boat travels on water. Third one is train, which is given. Train travels on track. Third is bus. Bus travels on Pakka road. Aeroplane in the air. And finally, a truck. Truck also travels on Pakka road. Here is a map given of Mumbai. Major roads and railways and famous places are located in this map. But how we will identify? In right side bottom corner you all have the index where the symbols are given and you all have to identify the place by that symbol. Symbol is located on the map. So you all can do it very easily. For example, an airport is given symbol of an aeroplane. Now let us learn what are dialects. A form of a language that is spoken in a particular part of a state or by a particular group of people and that contains some words, grammar or pronunciations, the way in which words are said that are different from the forms used in one part or by other groups. So basically, dialect languages are the languages which are made by doing some changes in the main language. For example, Ahirani, Malwani, and Waradi are dialects of Marathi language. So the people in that particular area has made some changes in Marathi language and they use their own language. So Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra, as other states have their own language and they also have the dialects languages also. Dialect languages are not main languages. They are the sub part of the main language for proper communications among the people. Always remember, recently there has been great development in the means of transport and communication. However, increased use of these means has also led to an increase in pollution. Therefore, everyone should use them carefully. So today we learned about interrelationship between villages and cities, means of transport and communication, and the needs of transport and communication, transport facilities, and famous places in our district and talukas. I hope you all understood the lesson very nicely. Have a great day.